What is up, people? It's another day and it's another video. You know how we do. Let me just show you real quick. I already came in the garage this morning and got started with a couple little things. I'm gonna disappoint you here. I swapped out all the interior on my white Impreza. I did the seats without filming it. You know, I don't know, I was kind of in a hurry. I just wanted to get it done, so I did. But look. So this is the complete passenger seat swap. This is what came off of my car, and it's now on the frame, I guess, the guts of what came out of my cousin's car. Here's the bottom of the seat for the driver's side that came out of my cousin's car, and look how good that foam looks. I don't know, that's really nice. And this is the cover. You can see my hole mole right there. Hole mole, mole mole mole. I don't know what the heck he did or how it got burnt, but it looks shitty. That sucks. I'm pretty sure that's what screwed up my seat heater on the driver's side too. So anyway, so I don't have a use for these really. I was just gonna swap them into that car, but all that I needed for that car was this. Look how freaking gross that, what the shit. Anyway, this is the back for the driver's side. You can see this guy liked to lean to this side or something because he just chewed that up bad. So I put the back together. So my back cover out of my white Subaru with my cousin's foam and under back part like this, but the passenger driver's side. And then I just swapped it out with that one. So let's go look. So yeah, there it is. So this is the cover that was in my car with the foam that was in my cousin's car. And this was my headrest for my car. But yeah, that passenger seat looks really good, so I'm not gonna really do anything with it. Now, the bottom's another story. I'm still debating whether I'm gonna swap that bottom in for this bottom because of this, but I don't know, this might be able to be cleaned. It looks like it's just dirty, I don't know. And plus, this one doesn't have a hole in it. I'd rather this car not have a hole in the driver's seat. You know what I mean? I don't know. God, it's so dirty. I still need to clean the shite out of it. And this all still needs to be installed. It's just slow going. I have to go back to work tomorrow. That box in the corner, I got replacement bulbs. See how that one's shorter? What other one's shorter? The one at the end is shorter. Oh, and look at that. I got a burned out bulb. So maybe I'll do that real quick. These don't take long to swap out. Anyway, those are just my temporary fillers till I ordered more bulbs, and the bulbs came in. So I'm going to swap out all the ones that are bad. So that one's not bad, but it's small. So I'm going to swap that one. That one's okay. That one looks kind of shitty. It's getting there. It's got a little section burned out right here. You can sort of see it. This one's getting bad. This one's getting real bad. It's got a lot of little burned out LEDs. So I'm going to swap that one out. That one's bad. I'm going to swap that one out. That one's gone, obviously, so I'm going to swap that one out. Those two are already gone. And the only reason I haven't gotten rid of them yet is because I'm going to open them up and keep this aluminum strip so I can use it for under cabinet lighting. Just replace the LED strip inside. And I'll do the same with that one. So that's that. It does look like this one is starting to... Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'm seeing things. I don't think any of the other LED strips are losing lighting. The only reason I think this one keeps burning up LEDs is because I have 8 light bulbs on it. So I have those 2 in the corner, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I guess it's 7, all on the same strip. But there's not really anything I can do about that. That's just the way the wiring crumbles. Anyway, we'll swap those out real quick. How about we do that? Let's just do that real quick. Okay, here we go. Bam, and we're back in business, baby. Looking good, looking bright, looking strong. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, on to the next thing. You know, I'm gonna leave you right here. I'm gonna run out and I'm gonna grab the car. Break, let's do this. Gotta do an oil change. And I'm gonna back it in and do it a little different because I gotta plug in the heat gun and scrape all those decals off the back. It's gonna be good. So here's the deal. Those coming off. That coming off. This handle. I'm gonna swap it out for the white handle. Just gotta put the camera on it real quick, which I'm gonna do. I fully intend on doing today. I bought new fog light housings, new lenses, and primarily because of the hole. The crack I can live with, the hole sucks. This one's fine, I'm gonna leave that one. Could use a headlight restoration on my car as well. What you know about that grill though? Look at that grill though. Woo, player. I just wanted to look real quick in here and see, man, why is this? Where's my bracket? This dude didn't put my bracket in here. Player. Well, good thing I got a spare. I'll open that up and put the bracket together. Yeah, I don't notice anything different on this car from this orange car. I don't know why it's running crappy. It's bugging the shite out of me. OFW. Oh, effing wow. Anyway, I'm gonna do an oil change. It's been, I think I'm twice overdue. Man, I put miles on this thing like crazy, like nobody's business. All the flipping miles. So I'm gonna do oil change. I'm gonna swap out this rear shit, get that off, and we'll call that a video. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes already. I think I'm gonna time lapse you because you don't want to hear me over here mumbling and rambling like, look at that thing. You don't want to hear me over here rambling and mumbling like nobody's business for no reason. Cricket. That thing is all sitting up there all cricket. No. Let's see how I can't fix it or what. Put like a pin or something up there. Anyway. Okay, so yeah. I think the best way to proceed with this video and not make it run on is to do a time lapse. So let me set you up and get you on time lapse and we'll go from there. Okay, only have a couple seconds, but I installed all the black seats. They're all black. Look at that, they're all black. How do you like that? Black seats, black seats. It's black and tan. My car is black and tan. What you know about that? All right, look at this. Look at that back end. Look at, where's it all cricket? Right, it's all cricket. Yeah, got a big gap right here. I don't know why I don't like that. Maybe I didn't tighten it enough. Anyway, look at the difference in these emblems. Just in the emblem. Do you see how this one is like embedded and surrounded by just formed plastic? Look at this one. It's a one-piece smooth that's embedded in the plastic. It's not a piece of the plastic. It's not formed with the plastic. It's separate. Look how good that looks with white. Looks good, huh? So I've got two more little issues with this car. I got my cargo light won't work and there's no fuses for it, and I've tried the couple fuses that I found online for it. It's not gonna work, so I gotta figure that out. Second, my alarm with this pin up should not be able to be activated or turn on or start the car. I can do all that shit. Beyond that, if I try to unlock it with my aftermarket remote, it thinks the car is on and running, and I basically have to unplug and do a hard reset on the alarm to do anything. So yeah, I need to reflash the alarm, rerun its programming and all that stuff, and then go over all the features and make sure they're all selected correctly, all that good stuff. So that is gonna happen soon. I'm getting really sick of that, so I wanna correct that. That's where I think I'm gonna end the video here today. This was just a quick, let me do some shit around the garage real quick video. Sit the fuck tight. What are you doing? Why are you just always worrying about what I'm doing? Just, why don't you do some stuff too? Let me see what you're doing. Just kidding. Okay, I think I'm gonna do some research on this light in here, this cargo light, and see if I can't figure out what's going on with it. Also, I'm gonna do, at some point, reflashing of the remote starter alarm. But then we got this bad boy, of course. I need to install that radio over there into here and all the stuff on the roof. So I can make an episode out of that. But I kind of am just like really wanting to get this thing running perfectly before I do all that kind of stuff. So I'm borrowing a high-end computer from my brother to run like live diagnostics on this and see if the computer can tell me what's going on with the ECU in the car. Maybe something's missing and it's not like, I don't know. I have no idea what's going on with it. Those two cylinders keep misfiring no matter what I do. I've replaced everything. So that's the last thing to get that damn thing running perfectly. Then I can get inside and clean it out really, really good. I did notice an issue with the heater when you turn the selector knob for, like, you know, to select the floor or the straight on ahead or the defroster. That wire's bent in there. Luckily for me, I saved the one from the other car. So cool, I'll run out to the shed and I'll swap that out because I have to pull all that off anyways to get under there so I can install take out the cigarette lighter and put in the USB plug. So as far as these seats go, that one's all back together pretty much 100%. I just got to put the plastics on it. This one is not, because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with either of these. I might just send them up to the land and see if Colin wants to use them for something. I don't know. I might use the foams for dog beds. I don't know yet. Just don't worry about what I'm doing. We'll find out. Just stick around and we'll find out. Okay, thank you guys for watching. As always, this is the Master of None, signing out of the Toy Box Garage. Until the next time.